No, 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 no! That guy went full John Cena into this Lamborghini SV.
Wait a minute.
What
Oh,
a stupid way to destroy a very rare car.
oh my God. Once again, insurance. Hey, so what happened again? You hit what? All right, we got to drop you from our coverage. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Ross. Back at it again with another video. So we're going to check out expensive supercar fails and crashes from 2026. Hey, man, the year's just started and we've already seen people mess up their very expensive luxury vehicles, man. Be safe out there on the road. I know a lot of times people be trying to show off or can't really handle the car like they think they can, and they end up messing up something that they spent way, well, not even way too much money, or in some situations way too much money, but you spent a lot of money on it. And even if you do got the bread, you don't want to make sure, you don't want to, just be spending extra money because of something that you could have avoided. But appreciate all love and support you guys have shown on the channel, man. Let's check out some of these incidences. I can't even talk right now. Let's just check the goddamn video. Oh, shit! So he's coming around this corner pretty fast. I'm guessing because this guy looks like he's in the right lane. So he looks like he's going normal speed, but the person, I'm guessing this looks, maybe, what is this, a Ferrari? I'm guessing. He was coming around this corner way too fast. Guessing he probably went into this lane and... Yep, that's on him. That's on him. Or her, whoever was driving. That's on them.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the brand new video, and today we're going to be watching some really expensive supercar fails. So we're going to have Ferraris, Lambos, Porsches, McLarens, Bugattis, all of that good stuff. So some really exciting clips are ahead of us.
How did
and
that
with
happen?
that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this.
Oh my. Insurance, like, okay, so what did you hit? You hit what? Huh? Say that again? Cooked. Come on, bro.
Jesus Christ.
Come on, bro.
Alright, we are starting today with the R8.
Oh, shit.
With a fully functional Mustang module, as you can see.
Oh. Oh, how?
Up next is the Lamborghini Huracan Technica, which obviously is heavily inspired by the BMW's driving style.
Bro.
He went full on BMW mode straight into that bush position there.
Their vehicles like they think they can, bro.
And this is what happens when you go into the corner way too fast. Oh, that was a nice Ferrari 458.
God.
As an old saying says, with great power, there's usually a great dingleberry behind the wheel.
Jeez, bro.
There goes the banana peel slip and
Oh!
booyah, straight into the sign. I actually admire how this guy looked at the weather and was like, this is a perfect day to go for a little ride with my McLaren.
Oh my.
Yeah, this is what usually happens when you combine rainy days, summer tires, and an expert driver.
Oh.
Take a deep breath.
Ooh, V12 startup is one of the best sounds in the world. Oops. That was Horatio Pagani driving his Pagani Utopia, which is not a big deal. It's only 1,099, who cares?
Jesus. Are they
And
stuck?
our friend here in a Porsche GT3 got into a little muddy situation over there.
They stuck in like a little pothole.
And now you're about to see the most expensive love tap ever.
Oh!
What if you drive a Bugatti Chiron?
Oh my God. I know for some people, oh, that's not that bad. Do you understand what they're in? Do you understand what he just love tapped? Just a little tap. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Oh my goodness. Ooh. I want to know how much that love tap's going to cost to get repainted. Because you can't just take it to no local shop to get repainted. Oh, maybe it's something that can be buffed out. I don't know. But jeez.
You probably don't care. It's peanuts money. Well, here we have another Pagani.
No.
And this guy right now is questioning his life choices probably.
Video no apto para
And this is a 296 GT.
Oh,
B.
no, I wouldn't have did that. Oh,
F in the chat, everybody, for the carbon rear diffuser there.
oh.
If you're wondering, yes, that crunching sound is the sound of pole position, and yes, this is a Jaguar XJ220.
Bro, do you know how rare this car is? Do you know how rare this car? How did they not see that? Bro, that's... I guess people got money to blow, because ain't no fucking way. Oh.
Actually, the main problem here is not the damage, it's how you're gonna replace the original part on a classic car like this.
McLaren.
Oh yes, McLarens and their infamous high-quality finish.
Yeah. That's
No.
the thing about McLarens. They're very fast vehicles, very fun to drive. I've been in one. They're fun vehicles. If you want something that's going to be exciting and exhilarating, and it's going to give you all the speed that you want, all the performance that you want, yes, you can get you a McLaren. But the trade-off is, one, the maintenance on those cars is horrendous. You're going to be dropping a lot of money just fixing on those vehicles. And a lot of times they break down pretty easily, unfortunately. And two, the quality. The quality in the actual cabin itself, it's not really that good. They don't really put too much emphasis in the quality of the cabin. They mostly put emphasis into the engine. That's really why you get a McLaren, because one, it's a McLaren, and two, it looks good. It's fast. You're not really getting it for the interior, because the interior is pretty lackluster and cheap, to be honest with you. So
We have a Lamborghini Revuelto with a curved wheel, which is a shame, but it's not a big deal.
yeah, you can get that. You can get that buffed out.
And that would be the case if that was the end of it. Check this out. Yep, he also forgot to latch the frunk as well.
Oh damn!
I think maybe this guy should consider not
damn.
driving at all.
That's a beautiful car too. Oh!
Oh! Didn't know Ferrari got an airline. Why would you do that with your car, bro?
You gotta pay. This is why I say, if you're not familiar in certain parts of the town, you don't know like the certain bumps, the certain dips, you know, because you don't travel that area. You gotta be careful. Like in certain areas in the city, I know when to slow down because there's certain dips, there's certain potholes I know when to avoid, and I'm guessing this person did not know because they floored it, not realizing there's like a speed bump there, and fuck they shit up. I don't know how bad it is, but geez, I can only imagine that's not good. Oh,
And another Revuelto in the bin. Such a shame.
beautiful car too. Such a beautiful vehicle. Bro.
So,
Oh
This just
no,
happened.
another F40.
I was
Another
driving,
legendary
and a
classic.
semi-truck with those big lug nuts got a little bit too close
But
to
a
me.
little disclaimer, this guy is
Hit
not
the side of the
responsible
car.
for it. Some
I
random
think
guy
he
hit
started
him.
Here, sideswiped me all the way across, and then got back in his lane. So,
And this, ladies and gentlemen,
What?
is an AMG 1, or should I say was. This car has an F1 engine in it, and it's pretty cool.
It's cooked.
Only 275 units were made, and I hope they can somehow save this one.
Nah, that's cooked.
Oh, a little oopsie
No,
there.
no.
And this is a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, one of the latest versions of it. Oh, that's not gonna buff out. That is carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Very strong, but not the most forgiving material out there.
Yep, I had to get that replaced. What happened here?
This gotta be the longest drift I've ever seen.
How did that happen?
I
Is that a
think
Lotus?
this is a Lotus.
Yeah, it
I'm
look
only
like a
not sure what model it is,
oh.
bro.
What
but I
happened?
guess
He
it
must
has a
have hit
four-wheel
something.
steering as a
He definitely
optional
had to hit
extra.
something. All right.
No. That guy went full John Cena into this Lamborghini SV.
Wait a minute. Oh.
What a stupid way to destroy a very rare car.
Oh my God. Once again, insurance. Hey, so what happened again? You hit what? All right, we got to drop you from our coverage. Because, bro, that's damn near the car almost totaled out. Like, geez.
Unbelievable.
Jeez.
And now this guy's gonna try to use the speed and power to turn his Porsche into the really expensive lawnmower.
Yeah, I think I've seen this one before. Oh, man.
And again, here we have a Revuelto, the Aventador successor.
Yep.
And this one is completely cooked.
Oh, yeah, it's totaled out.
Absolutely cooked.
It's totaled out. Oh, yeah, it totally...
Up next is this absolutely beautiful Porsche GT3 RS. And after seeing all this, no wonder Australia has introduced the supercar driving license, so let me know in the comments what do you think about that.
Oh, so they introduced a supercar driver's license. So if you get a supercar, you have to have a specific license to drive certain supercars or supercars in general, depending on the like their specs and stuff. That's actually kind of crazy. Huh. Does that, I don't know. Like, I want to know what the qualifications to be able to get that too. Do you have to pay for it? That's actually kind of interesting. That's very interesting. I believe that's what he said.
Australia has introduced, no wonder Australia has introduced the supercar driving license, so let me know in the comments what do you think about that.
Oh!
Bro, aim for the apex there. And this is probably one of the most famous Ferraris these days, all thanks to Matt. And he accidentally turned on the crowd-seeking system and ended up in the bush.
Oh, yep, it's total. Yep, it's done.
You
What the
spin
hell?
me right round, baby, right round. This is another Lamborghini Huracan Technica, which is being driven by an absolute apocalyptic dingleberry. What a beautiful color that is. Let's wish this Lambo speedy recovery. What are you doing, Beamer? You're gonna have to wait for another video. Sorry. But now it's time to deploy all those angry German horses and booyah!
See, this was so avoidable. Once again, people, you can have you a high-powered vehicle, but I'm telling you right now, if you don't really know how to handle it, or you're not used to flooring it and being able to understand the proper ways to steer in certain situations, you'll do shit like this. This is why, if anything, I would just wait till I get to like an open area, you know, a track or whatever, if I'm going to floor it. Because, once again, if you don't know what you're doing, shit like this happens.
Oh, that's a Lamborghini Murcielago. They're skyrocketing in value, by the way.
Yes, they are.
Oh, hello there. Hold it.
Hold it. Woo!
That was one very silent ride home.
Hell yeah. They almost cooked they shit.
On to the next one.
Wait, just
What
wait.
was that move all about?
Joe, whoa, just wait.
Whoa, bro. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ooh, that must be the pants-changing experience right there.
Whoa.
And what is this? They selected the new Pope or something?
Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. At all. I definitely turned that engine.
Right. That must have been a fun night out. Someone did this and just left it there. Like it's not a big deal. Is that a normal 458 or it's a Speciale? I'm not sure. Deary me. What happened to this Lamborghini Gallardo?
Oh!
Well, the good news is it looks like it was mainly the wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah, but how did you manage to do that?
Yeah, good thing is just the wheels. You can replace those, even though it's expensive. You probably have to replace the wheels. Hopefully the rotors aren't too messed up. Brakes may be good, but just replace the wheels. That I could live with that. Then some actual, I don't know, it doesn't seem like there was any real body damage
It
done to it.
looks like nothing else is really damaged, so that's a good thing, of course.
That's a good thing. Really good thing.
And now let's put all of those amateurs aside and watch this absolute driving masterpiece.
Losing it.
Round of applause, everybody.
Yep. And
Excellent
he
stuff.
bent up his wheel too.
This guy truly has a gift, because it's not easy to lose control like this in a four-wheel drive car.
Yep.
Oh no, bro. This actually makes me mad. Jealous.
So it said our car and the neighbor's McLaren MP4 was vandalized at something Ave and Monte Verde Street between 12 and 12:40 a.m. Potential suspects, Black Jeep, Gladiator. Please contact. Damn. Did someone just purposely do that shit? That's fucked.
Oh no, bro. This actually makes me mad. Jealous people are capable of anything.
That's fucked up, bro.
This is completely...
Oh, that's fucked up, bro. That's some whole ass shit. Granted, it's, you know, glass can get fixed, but you know, the fact you gotta deal with that shit, that's lame, bro. Anybody that doing that type of shit, you're a loser.
unacceptable.
That's lame, bro. Leave people shit.
Oh, hello there. That's not a good way to unload the car, especially this one.
Ooh.
And something tells me this guy does not appreciate this.
Oh!
Oh no, that crunching sound. Out of all those cars, he chose to crash into a 812 Competizione. Let's see what we have here. This is most likely another rented Lamborghini Huracan who got carried away a little bit.
Oh my days, not the Lambo.
Oh my days, is right.
Pessoal, olha que judiação.
And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had amazing holidays. And also, if you enjoyed today's Supercar special episode, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.
Hey, that's a beautiful McLaren. Love the paint job on that. The wheels set up too, but damn. Whew. Look, y'all. Be careful out there on these roads, bro. Please be careful. If you have the option or the luxury or the ability to drive one of these very expensive cars, just treat them with respect. What I mean by that is if you're not someone that's well versed in high-powered vehicles, you may want to, you know, take it easy. You don't have to show off because guess what? You're already in a very expensive, very rare car. You don't have to do too much for people to be like, ooh, what's that? Ooh, that's a nice one. Ooh, you don't have to do too much. The attention will automatically come to you. I promise you. Just be chill. You know, wait to the proper situations to test out the vehicle's true power. Don't be trying to do too much because that's usually what happens. What we seen in this video, people try to, you know, show, oh, I can drive this badass car, and then they end up messing up, you know, their car and other people's cars trying to show out when you don't have to because you're literally in something super rare, super clean. So, but hey, appreciate all love support y'all showing on the channel. Road to 30K. Appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all on the next one, man. Peace.